Money, money, money. Money seems to be occupying a very significant role in our lives. And in this video, I'm going to share with you details of five websites that will help you grow your money and help you stay invested, start your investment journey if you haven't already started. And if you're already started your investment journey, help you grow your money. Coming up. What's up everyone? Welcome to another video on Mudgal's Musings, a channel dedicated to increasing your productivity. And if this happens to be your first time here, consider subscribing because I keep posting one interesting video every single week. And do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out anything exciting on this channel. And so now let's get into the video. Many of you who have already started your investment journey must be very well aware of Grow website. It's actually a website which helps the investors invest their money in various options. It's got many calculators, many resources. In fact, you can even open a demat account with Grow and then start investing in stocks directly, equity shares directly. You can even invest in the US stocks as it can be seen on the screen. And then mutual funds, of course there are thousands of mutual funds options available for investors to invest their money in. SIP can be started, a systematic investment plan can be started with your stocks, with your mutual fund options as well. There is futures and options. You can invest in digital gold. Of course there are also opportunities and potential for investing in fixed deposit if you are risk averse, if you want a steady income and you want your capital to be safe. So Grow is indeed one-stop solution to many of the investment needs of retail investors in India, and I'm sure it is one of the popular websites as well. So if you wish, all you need to do is click on this get started button, fill in the necessary details. You can open your demat account also. Of course you need to have the necessary documentation for that, such as your PAN card. But besides that, it's fairly simple, it's pretty quick, and with just a click of a few buttons, you will be on your investment journey. There are a number of websites in India which are helping individual investors, retail investors, to make the most of the money that they are having. And IND Money or Ind Money is one such app. The beauty of Ind Money is that it not only helps you invest in the mutual funds as well as the stocks. Of course, you need to have a demat account with a broker. So that is one part. Now it also helps you invest into US stocks directly. Now that process is also pretty simple. As you can check over here, you can have an overview of what are features available on this website. It gives you an overview of the stock situation, the market situation, the US stocks, how the US stocks are faring, which ones are the ones which are gainers, top gainers, top losers on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. Of course, mutual fund investment is there, and then fixed deposit as well. I myself, I have opened an account on IND Money, and I have invested in US stocks making use of IND Money. The system is very simple. It's not complicated at all. Upload a few documents that are necessary, and once that is done, the account is going to be approved. In fact, all these services are absolutely free. Your investment into mutual funds, opening an account on IND Money, opening a US stocks account, all of it is absolutely free. And another beautiful factor which I like most about IND Money is that once you give this particular app, the particular website, if you give the rights to read your SMSs and read your Gmail account, which is linked to your investment accounts, uh, then you get a holistic view of your net worth on the app itself. What are your liabilities? What are your investments? What are your assets? In fact, the app captures everything, and it's a fairly safe app. It's mostly AI driven, so I don't think there is any human involvement into reading of these messages and stuff like that. It also gives you smart investment advice with respect, in case you have let's say a chunk of money lying in your savings bank account. It actually lets you know that there is a lot of money lying over there, but if you put that money into, let's say, fixed deposit, or into stock market or into mutual fund, how much money you could make in probably 3 years or 10 years. So that's a very beautiful feature of IND Money. It's a very simple app, beautifully designed and very user friendly. Yeah, definitely you can explore this app. The next website, or which also has Android as well as iOS apps, is the ET Money app, or the ET Money platform. Like Grow and IND Money, ET Money also is a very user-friendly app. Lots of features on it. It's got even gives you the information about credit cards and loans kind of stuff. So you can probably submit your applications also over here after giving some documentation. Your credit score can be monitored over here. Then it also has some information related to the insurance. What are the different types of insurances? What are the companies offering variety of products? Some are going to be simple, unit linked insurance plans. So all kinds of information related to insurance is also available in this website, which I would recommend my viewers, my subscribers to make use of this website. Then tools and calculators, a variety of tools are available. The income tax calculator is there, HRA calculator, SIP calculator, lump sum calculator. When you invest lump sum money into either mutual fund or in any of those mutual funds, that gives you an idea in terms of projected returns. And a whole lot of other opportunities are also available, options are also available. So like the other two websites, ET Money also is an excellent website that gives a holistic view of financial health of an individual. One of the earliest entrants into personal finance, moneycontrol.com, has a significant role in financial markets as well as advisory to individuals. So like the other three websites and the tools that we have seen, even moneycontrol.com is an excellent tool. It has all kinds of features available: markets, news, portfolio, commodities, mutual funds, personal finance, forum, media. I mean, this is it's kind of finance supermarket. So you get all kinds of information from here. You can track your you can create a watch list for your stocks, or you can create a watch list for the performance of the mutual funds. And of course, it also allows you to buy mutual funds online. This is another app and another website which if you are interested in personal finance, and if you want interested in making your money work for you, probably you should explore this website, which is going to be very helpful to you. The last and final app, and as well as the website which I'm talking about, is NeoMoney. NeoMoney used to be earlier Goldwise. Probably Goldwise was acquired by NeoMoney. This is one of the websites that I used for investing into mutual funds in way back in 2019, while it was Goldwise. So this is predominantly a mutual fund investment platform, but then they have started offering options for investment into stocks as well, and as well as investment into US stocks. So yeah, I think for people who are looking for easy and quick way of investing into mutual funds, this is an excellent platform. Very safe. Everything is as per law, and there's nothing to be afraid of. So there may be hundreds of websites available, but I have found NeoMoney to be very intuitive and user friendly. And their service also is excellent. In case you want to kind of make some changes, you write to them, they will respond to you pretty quickly. So I guess NeoMoney is one such app and one such website which you should be watching, which you can follow, and I'm sure it might help you make more money with your money. That's all on Mudgal's Musings this week. Thanks for watching this video. Like it if you like it, and do share the video among your friends and acquaintances, just in case they might also be interested in making their money grow. And I'll see you in the next video next week.